Hi guys, today we will talk about how to share an image or picture with any person or any app you want on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just choose any picture you want to share. You just click here on down here to this point and it's going to show for you like this. And here can you send it here, and here you can share it to Instagram or WhatsApp on any app, another app. So that's all you have to do to share this with your friends or another app on your Pinterest app. So that's all. I wish now you are get it. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Pinterest app settings.